Chengyuan Channel is one of the oldest channels in Nantou. It was built during the Qianlong Era in the 1700s, stretching over 800 meters. It brings water from Longyanlin River in Dapi to the rice fields in Neilu and Yingpanko regions. People used to call it Nantou Channel. It was rebuilt in the 1887, renamed as Fuyuan Channel. Then rebuilt again in 1890 and named it back to its original name, Chengyuan Channel. This channel not only serves as a passage for water, it is also a passage for people. Located near Neilu Bridge on Zhongzheng Road, this red bridge is hidden inside the woods. According to the Department of Agriculture Irrigation in Nantou, this channel brings water to over 455 acres of rice fields. Shaped like a spider web, the irrigation network allows villagers to have good harvests year after year. In 1982, a typhoon severely damaged Chengyuan Channel and rerouted water flows. This channel was abandoned since then. People routed water from other sources. After the 9/21 earthquake in 1999, many improvements on water channels have been made. These channels became part of Zhongxing New Village Bike Lane project. Established in 2003, the current channel is part of the Agriculture Irrigation network, the biking network, and passage for people. The bright red arch design has made Chengyuan Channel a landmark and an example of engineering by Taiwan Executive Yuan.